Hi, Dan from Bugout-Canada. Just wanted to show you a little preview of the Bogata pick sets being used, and not so much as an instructional segment, but just so you can see them being used. Just going to open up 3 locks. This one's a bit of a nasty one. It's got a bit dust cover on the front of it that really blocks the pick from being used. It's troublesome. So there's one. There's 2. There's 3. So you can see the Bogatas, they work very nicely, and I hope you enjoy them. Hey folks, just thought I'd show you the Bogata picks in use on the front door. Bogata picks.